Now, the second application of static electricity can be seen in paint spraying. Now, in paint spraying, we have the spraying material and then the paint itself. Now, as we push the button to release the paint, the nozzle of the spraying material will have a charge. Now, as the paint particles leave the nozzle, they also obtain the same charge as the nozzle. Now, the material on which the spraying is going to be done will also have an opposite charge to that of the nozzle. Therefore, the two main laws that were used are going to be observed here. The first law was that like charges will repel. So all the paint particles will repel each other, causing a large cloud of paint to be formed. If the paint particles did not have the same charges, we were only going to observe the paint in this manner, in a very small volume, and therefore more paint would have been used. But since they have the same charge, they repel each other, causing a large cloud of paint to be formed. Now, the second thing is that unlike charges will attract. So let's assume the paint charges have positive charge, and then the material on which the painting is done has negative charge. So even if the paint particle gets a little away or over the material, it is still going to be attracted to the material because like charges will repel and unlike charges will attract. Now, the moment it gets closer to the material, the force of attraction will be felt, and then in the end, there will be attraction between the paint and then the material on which the painting should be done. Now, the benefit of this is that we can use a small volume of paint for a large area. The second thing is that the particles are not wasted. They are not wasted because due to the unlike charges, even if they divert, they are still going to come back onto the material because it will be a force of attraction over there.